part of every hearing test, we have to take a look inside somebody's ear and make sure things look healthy. Part of that is looking for earwax to make sure that the ear isn't blocked. We can show people what it looks like with this video. Oh, look at that. We can actually see the bones in the ear behind that eardrum. A little bit of wax, but nothing to worry about. Now that we've ensured that Luke's ears are clear, we feel it's appropriate to start the hearing test, so we'll get him into the booth. So we're done Luke's hearing test. Got to take all these things off. So you can come on out. We are showing some hearing loss, and what's interesting is when we sent the sound through the bone, we got a little bit better results than we got through the ear. So one of the tests that we do is something called tympanometry. This machine measures how the eardrum moves physically. So it measures if the eardrum is under pressure, or if there's any kind of abnormality in the way that the eardrum moves. And to accomplish this test, we take this device, put a fresh tip on it. Now I've got to get a seal on his ear. You're going to feel pressure for a few seconds. We are showing some hearing loss here, so I would generally recommend that we consider trying some hearing aids for you. Do you have any questions about the results?
This is making a lot of sense to me because I do struggle to hear in noise. I think that we're good to try out some hearing aids.
That sounds great.